Bad credit doesn't mean you're locked out, but you have to pick the right door. Bad credit isn't an automatic no, but it does change what a smart first card looks like. A secured card uses a refundable deposit to reduce the bank's risk, which is why approvals are easier. Even a $200 to $500 limit can still build credit if the account reports to the bureaus. Expect high APR, so plan to pay in full. The real danger is predatory fees, and one late payment is the fastest way to get stuck. To get approved with bad credit, you need to know what lenders are reacting to on your reports and application. Recent 30-day late payments are big red flags because they signal a current pattern. High utilization, meaning you're using most of your limit, adds balance pressure, even if you pay on time. Unpaid collections can also block approvals. Then there's behavior. Clustered hard inquiries look desperate. Finally, they check basic eligibility, identity, and income to judge ability to pay. Getting a card with bad credit is mostly about choosing a clean entry path and removing avoidable mistakes before you apply. Start by deciding between secured, beginner, unsecured, or a credit builder product based on what you can realistically qualify for. Before anything else, confirm the issuer reports to at least one major bureau, because no reporting means no credit building. Budget the upfront deposit, then scan the fee box for annual, monthly, or setup charges. Answer income questions carefully and, once approved, set autopay immediately. The application process is where people accidentally hurt their odds, even with the right card picked. Pre-qualification tools can help because they usually don't use a hard pull, so you can test the waters safely. An instant decision still isn't always final, since some approvals get verified later. If you're denied, the adverse action notice tells you the exact reasons. Use it like a checklist. Don't stack applications. Multiple hard inquiries in a short window can drop your score. Match the card to your file, then do the setup after approval. Once you get approved, your job is to turn that new account into positive months on your credit reports. Autopay matters because a payment that hits 30 days late can stay on your report for up to 7 years. To control utilization, pay before the statement closes, not just by the due date, and aim to keep usage under 10% of the limit. Never take cash advances. They start interest immediately and come with fees. Avoid return payments, and after 6 to 18 months of clean history, ask to graduate to better terms. A single 30-day late can damage your credit for up to 7 years, so autopay is non-negotiable. CreditCardAgent matches you to cards based on your credit range and spending, and shows the estimated dollar impact versus what you have now. Free, about 3 minutes, no credit check. Links in the description.